Digital confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about being willing to try, knowing how to find help, and being patient with yourself while you learn. 3 habits of confident users. Try first, then ask. Most apps are designed to be explored. Clicking the wrong button rarely breaks anything. Use the search bar. Almost every question, how do I attach a file in Gmail, has been answered online with step-by-step guides and videos. Practice small, often. 10 minutes a day beats a single long session. Common blockers and what to do. I'm scared I'll break it. You almost certainly won't. Restart the device if in doubt. There are too many options. Focus on the one task in front of you. Ignore the rest. I forget the steps. Write a short note for yourself the first time you do something new. Problem-solving checklist. Read the message on the screen carefully. Try restarting the app or the device. Search the exact wording of the problem online. Ask a person you trust and watch them do it. Try this. Pick one digital skill you want to improve in the next 2 weeks, e.g., sending an email with an attachment, joining a video call, paying a bill online. Write it down. You'll come back to it at the end of the course.